welcome to our kitchen.
We're going to show you how to make 3 budgeted meals that are easy that you can cook in your apartment kitchen or in the NLC kitchen. Let's do this. For breakfast, we're going to make mini pancake muffins with strawberries or chocolate chips or both if you're feeling fancy. For lunch, we're going to make cheesy taco bites. And for dinner, we're going to make fajita chicken bowls. Yeah!
Hello, we are making breakfast.
Good morning. This morning we're making pancake muffins with either strawberries or chocolate chips or both if you're feeling fancy.
Could also get some blueberries if you want. So all you're gonna need is some pancake mix. We have this great ginormous bag from Sam's Club.
But I think a thing of Bisquick at the market is like $3.
Then you'll need a cup of pancake mix, a cup of water, some cut up strawberries, and some chocolate chips of your choosing. We have semi-sweet.
4 ingredients. Super easy.
Yeah.
You don't even need eggs.
Nope, just water and some toppings.
Let's get cooking. Okay, so step 1, you're gonna need a big bowl, and you're gonna need to pour your pancake mix into the bowl.
Then you will add 2/3 cup of water.
We preheated our oven to
375.
and we have these little muffin tins. This recipe makes about 8, which I think is good enough, but you can make however many you want, double or half the recipe.
We have a cool scooper thing, don't we?
Yeah, cool scooper thing. So we're gonna use our cool scooper thingy, but a spoon will suffice to put the batter into the muffin tin. For the record, this is our first time making these recipes, so this is a college budget thing, but also whether or not these things actually work.
And taste good.
And taste good, that's true.
We're gonna put these in the oven at 375 for 10 minutes to start off with and see how they are in 10 minutes.
All right, it's taste test time. I will say you probably need to spray these a lot because there's some issues with it sticking to the sheet. With like the little wrappers, you could try and just spray the pan and put them just in there, see if that works better. They cooked all the way through. I think I had them in there for like a total of like 16 minutes actually too. Yeah.
I mean, it tastes pretty solid.
I give these 3 booms on the boom meter. All right, see you at lunch.
Bye.
So for our cheesy taco bites, all you need are 5 ingredients.
You need some ground beef.
You need about 4 tablespoons of melted butter.
The classic Pillsbury pizza crust.
You need some taco seasoning. Luckily, we make our own taco seasoning, but I think just a packet's like 60 cents at the supermarket. And then lastly, Colby Jack cheese sticks.
Specifically the cheese sticks.
We got the Colby and pepper jack to spice it up a bit, but you can do regular Colby. First thing you want to do for your cheesy taco bites is preheat your oven to 425 degrees and then prepare your baking sheet with the pizza dough. It'll come in one big pizza crust, but you probably want to cut them up a bit.
So now that we have our pizza dough cut up into like 16 little squares, we're gonna take our cooked ground beef with taco seasoning and put about a spoonful in the middle of each little rectangle.
And then after we put the beef in the middle of the rectangles, you're gonna take about half of a cheese stick and put that on top of the beef.
So after you put the meat and cheese on your little rectangles, you're gonna pinch them all together and they should look something like this.
Once they look a little something like that and all the sides are pinched down, you can spread the butter that you melted on top of them. I added a little bit of Italian seasoning to mine. You don't have to do that, I just was feeling fancy. And then once you do that, you'll pop them in the oven for about 10 minutes and then they'll be done.
Taste test time.
Our treats are out of the oven. Take it and sink it.
I like.
Oh, great too.
Good stuff. Cheers to that.
On to dinner. It's dinner time, and we're gonna make chicken fajita bowls. So what you need for this is you need about a pound of white meat chicken. We use tenders, but chicken breast is like, I think we got it for $4 at the market. Any color of bell pepper you want. We have 3, a half of a white or yellow onion, and for 2 servings we have a cup of rice. Fajita seasoning or taco seasoning is about 99 cents at the market as well.
Let's cook.
So the first thing we want to do is get your water boiling for your rice. That will probably take the least amount of time, but there's special instructions on the box for the rice. So you definitely want to follow those carefully or else your rice is not going to turn out. Now we're going to put the chicken on the pan. We put some oil in the pan. Cook your chicken first, and then you can add your veggies and everything so they don't overcook. And then while the chicken is cooking, put the fajita mix on top of the raw chicken to season it. Once the chicken is pretty much cooked all the way through is when you can add your veggies. This might be a little too much, but we like veggies in this household, so this is what we're gonna add. You don't want to cook those veggies until they're soft, but not too so tender. Tender's the right terminology. It's that easy. This was done, I think prepping all the stuff took more time than actually cooking it.
Agreed. Taste test.
5 big booms.
Oh wow. Good stuff.
That's my favorite one we've made.
Agreed.
This even makes leftovers, so you can just put this in your fridge and eat it for dinner tomorrow, or lunch, or breakfast,
Or a midnight
you want.
snack. Whatever your heart desires. But do taste fire.
Alright. Thanks for cooking with us this week. We'll see you in the next one.
Hopefully you enjoy all the food.
Bye.
Bye.